What is up, traders, friends, and family, team and fan from around the world? Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. It's your Liam Neeson of the line chart. And I am here to analyze some stocks for you. First on the list is Roblox. And Roblox is trading sideways right now, doing a whole heap of nothing. I am in January 80 weekly calls. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, hopefully a 5 wave count on Roblox. Time will tell, and I'm being as patient as I can, doing my best not to exit any position out of boredom, and just going to let it chop around here at this really, really good support. I do need some new highs here soon in the near future. Give it a few weeks, a few days, but right now I'm being patient. Fiverr still looks weak. Don't have any position in Fiverr right now, but it looks like short the rip is in full effect. If it gaps down tomorrow or has a pop-up at some point, the trend right now is bearish. I would not be trying to pick the bottom on Fiverr. Buy as low as you can, and that could be a lot lower than it is right now. So be cognizant of that. Be patient. Let it slowly trickle down lower. And if you are buying some because you want to be in, buy small, tiny size over time and be very cautious. Upwork. I know a lot of you know that I'm in Upwork. I did get some puts today on Upwork. January 35 strike, and that is because we took out the low of this bullish candle and this bullish candle, which was no bueno. Did not want that to happen. So since it did, I bought some puts. Even though, yes, we are above the 100 simple on a weekly, the 100 simple on a weekly has been sliced through like hot butter by both Square, Fiverr, and numerous other growth companies. Upwork hasn't done that yet, but it very well could. So with that 100 simple right there, if it breaks lower, I will have to exit my shares. I will have to take a loss, and then I will play it most likely on the bear side, either day trades or swing trading with puts until it gets down to about 25. Certainly won't be bullish if it breaks that 100, keeping a close eye on it every single day. Intel looks so strong. Nice breakout. Good consolidation, 4 days in a row, right at the 100, same exact high on all these candles, and then bang. So if it pulls back today, buy the dip, old resistance, new support, snag it and bag it. Here's your weekly long-term averages, and we are at the 200 right now. If you adjust the chart for dividends, since Intel does pay such a nice dividend, we're also got the 100 right in front of our face. So we will have to contend with that a little bit, but between now and then, let's be smart, in and out, move on, and do your thing. Tesla. Oh my goodness, all up in some Tesla. Today's gap, by far, was one of the best gaps I have seen in my life, and I'm not exaggerating. This was a perfect gap and go on a daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, and yearly chart. It's a brand new year, first real-life stock review of the year. Welcome to 2022, by the way. I've missed you all, and I'm so glad to be back. Bottom line, without question, be in Tesla, be in bullish, buy dips, unquestionably, unequivocally, will go higher. Shares, calls, put sales, whatever you want to be. Buy it, hold it, let it go higher. Goodbye, Tesla. Google, hanging out. It needs to. It's been an absolute train. Let this one consolidate. I mean, it literally hasn't pulled back at all since COVID. This thing is just up 150%. Absolute scream. Let it consolidate. Don't be aggressive. If you want to buy some, great, buy some, but buy a lot lower. Just let it chop around. If you're in a bunch of shares and you have enough where you can do a collar, feel free to. Google's absolutely just tearing it up. But yeah, it needs a rest. It needs a pullback. I love Google long-term, just not up at these prices. And then Airbnb. I like Airbnb. I own an Airbnb. I bought one during my paternity leave, and I think that this is a great buying spot. So I did pick up some at 163, off the 200, off the 100. Here's the weekly chart. Weekly chart looks pretty good. Double bottom here on the weekly. Retest the neckline back over here in December. Here's your monthly chart. Nice little high wave candle on a monthly. Moving averages look, ho-hum. We're pretty sideways for the most part. So realistically, buy low, sell high. This is a good support. This is a good target. Buy here, sell here. Sounds good. Awesome. Let me know what stocks I can review for you in Wednesday's stock review. Put them in the comment section below. I'm back, and I hope you're ready. You rock. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye. And that's a wrap. Video is finished. Thanks for watching. You rock.